the shear. Okay. So basically the transformation that slant the object means we can tilt the object, which is considered as a or which is called as a shear transformation. So basic two common shearing transformation are used. First one is the one shift the x coordinate value. In first case, we can shift the x coordinate value, and another case we can shift the y coordinate value. In both the cases, only one coordinate changes its original value and the another coordinate remain as it is. So first we have to discuss the x shear. So here the x shear prevents the y coordinates in that y coordinate as it is and the x value which causes the vertical line to till the right or the left side. That means we can change the y coordinate change. So the transformation matrix for the x shear is equal to 1 0 0 value of x shear 0 0 0 0 1. Sorry, this is your matrix for the x shear. So if we consider the original object, this is your origin. In that case, we can change the y coordinate. We remain the y coordinate and change the value of x coordinate. Okay. If we change the coordinate of x, then we can share the object. Hello.
ब्लर दिसतंय मॅम.
Now it is visible.
नो.
Now it is visible. If we consider the original object and we can apply the x shear transformation, so in that case the value of y coordinate remain as it is. We only change the x coordinate value, so we can get the appearance of the object like that. Okay, so we can consider the y shear. So y shear matrix is 1 0 1 value of y shear 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is your matrix. If we consider the original matrix, then we can get the y shear. In that case, the y coordinate change and x coordinate as it is. So what is the appearance of the object is here? This is the appearance of the original object with the help of y shear, because we only change the y coordinates and x coordinate remain as it is. Now we can consider one example is here. We can consider the rectangle A 0, 0, B 1, 0, C 1, 1, D 0, 1. Now we can consider the reflection point in x direction equal to 2. In that case, y remain as it is. Okay. So only change the value of x coordinate. Okay. This is your A. B means 1, 0. B 1, 1, C and 0, 1, B. This is your original object. We can plot the original object 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Convert it into the original homogeneous coordinate. Then what is the transformation matrix for this is 1, 0, 0. What is the value of x share value is 2. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. We can only put the value of x share is here. So what is the resultant matrix? 0, 0 into 1, 0 plus 0 into 2, 0 plus 1 into 0, 0. Again 1 into 1, 1, sorry, 0 into 0, 0 plus 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0. Again 0 into 0 plus 0 plus 1 into 1, 1. Next one, 1 into 1, 1 plus 0 into 2, 0 plus 1 into 0, 0. Again 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0 plus 1, 0 into 0, 0 plus 1 into 1, 1. Next 0, 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 into 0, 0. Again, third row, second column. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1 plus 0, 1 into 0, 0. Again, 1 into 0, 0 plus 1 into 0, 0 plus 1 into 1, 1. Last one, fourth row, first column. 0 into 1, 0 plus 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 into 0, 0. Again 0 into 0, 0 plus 1 into 1, 1 plus 0 into 0, 0. Last row, last column. 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0 plus 1 into 1, 1. What is the answer? 0, 0, 1. Next 1, 0, 1, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. What is your A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash? We can plot the original coordinate, then we can get the new sharing coordinate with the help of x share value, that is 2. So what is the value of A is here? 0, 0. A dash 0, 0. A dash. Next one 1, 0. This is 1, 0. B dash. What is the value of C dash? 3, comma 1. 3, comma 1. This is C dash. Next one, what is the value of D is 2, comma 1. 2, comma 1. This is D dash. This is your X shear. Okay. आपण ओरिजिनल फिगर बघितली ती X shear ला कशी होते. ही ओरिजिनल होती, ही X shear झाली. X कोऑर्डिनेट काय झाले? चेंज झाले. Y कोऑर्डिनेट सेम राहिले. सेम केस मध्ये इथे एक्झाम्पल मध्ये चेक करा. Y कोऑर्डिनेट काय राहिले? सेम राहिले. वी ओनली शिफ्ट दी X कोऑर्डिनेट व्हॅल्यू. ओके. दिस इज द X shear रिफ्लेक्शन ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन. आता सेम एक्झाम्पल घेतलं आणि वाय शेअर साठी घेतलं तर कसं होईल? 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1. What is the matrices for the Y shear? 1. The value of Y shear is, again if we consider 2 or 3, we can consider 3 is here. Then 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is your transformation matrix for Y shear. So calculate 0 into 1 0 plus 0 into 0 0 0 1 into 0 0 0 0 0. Again 0 0 1. 1 into 1 1. 0 into 0 0. Again 0 0 0 0. Next 1 into 0 0. 0 into 0 0. 1 into 1 1. Next third row, first column, 1 into 1 1. 1 into 0 0. 1 into 0 0. Again 1 into 3 3 plus 1 into 1 1. 1 into 0 0. 1 into 0 0. 1 into 0 0. 1 into 1 1. Next one 0 into 1 0. 1 into 1 0 0. 0 into 3 0. 1 into 1 1. 1 into 0 0. Again we can consider 0 into 0 0. 1 into 0 0 1. This is your new coordinate A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. So what is the value of A dash? 0, 0. 0, 0. This is your A dash. Next one, next value is 1, 0. Next value is 1, 0. This is your B dash. Next one 1, 4. 1, 4. This is your C dash. And 0, 1. 0, 1. This is your D dash. This is your reflection of shearing about the Y axis. That means we can consider the Y coordinate get change and X coordinate remain as it is. फक्त इकडे काय झालं चेक करा. Y coordinate change झाले. X coordinate काय राहिला as it is राहिला. This is the example about the transformation of X shear and Y shear.